Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is Vlogmas day 8 for me. I do know that it's December the 11th, but I'm on day 8 and I'm still gonna get caught up. It doesn't seem like it, does it? But I am. Anyway, so today I wanted to share with you how my scrap blanket is looking. It is looking so beautiful. That minty just really popped next to that blue there. It went around almost a whole time. Almost. I know as my blanket gets, a little bigger, they're going to go around about a half of the way. But it almost went around at once. And then I got that little gap there to close in with a new color and start the next round. But it is looking really good. That's the back side. That's the front side. Right, yeah, it's looking really good, and I love how it's turning out. So we're going to open day 8's bag and see what color yarn we'll be adding to it. I'm just enjoying working on this so much. Watching it grow and just finding out the new color. It's exciting. Okay, so I just have to rip the bags because that tape Terry's got is like very, very strong. All right, this is a purple, a deep, dark purple. I mean, it's not really that dark, but it's a deep purple, not like violet or anything like that. It's a true dark purple. So that would be pretty up against that. And that minty really will pop between that blue and this purple. So I'll be adding that right up here. I can't wait to add that in and see how that looks. I just love how each color has grown and went around. But yeah, I do realize, as it gets a little bigger, Terry's her balls aren't going all the way around hers, and she's on day 11. I'm on day 8. So maybe a couple more days and mine won't go all the way around. So anyway, but I do love how that's looking. I love it. So that's how my scrap blanket looks. And let me just set that to the side over here. And I've been working on that Christmas blanket that I started making I started on the first along with that. And I didn't want it to just be red, white, and green. I was throwing in some other colors in it for pops of color and stuff, And so now I'm at a point where I realized that I wanted this to be a little bit more scrappy looking than it is, because so far I have went around the whole blanket. Like each time I change color, I make a whole round around the whole blanket in that color. Well, I realized that my yarn is going to get smaller and smaller. Like I might not have enough of this pink to make a whole round again. So, is it going to look weird in your opinion? I'm asking you, the viewers, in your opinion, is it going to look weird if I start being more scrappy now? And it'll be like, it could be like green, and then change to red, change to white, blue, gray or whatever, different shade of green. Is that going to look really weird to start that scrappiness now when it's been a solid round every time? And let me see how many rounds I have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 rounds. So after 25 rounds, is that going to look weird? It's pretty big. Like this could be a baby blanket right now at the size that it is. So if it would look weird to start being scrappy now, then I'd probably just make a few more rounds and see what I could do and then stop. When I showed it to you yesterday, I had finished this white round and I added the yellow, this pale green, and then the turquoise red, and that shade of green, and then the white, and then the hot pink. So anyway, that's my question for today. Would it look weird if I start being scrappy now after all that? So I've enjoyed working on that. I worked on this blanket last night while I caught up on some Vlogmas videos and just in videos in general. I've loved watching everybody's Vlogmas. There's so many, Vlogmas videos out there. I've enjoyed watching them. And then I just continued watching videos while I worked on this. And that was fun to watch everybody's Vlogmas videos and get caught up on people. And I have some Christmas cards to share. Got a couple more in the mail. All right. Oh, this is pretty. And this is from Dana. And wishing you a bright and happy holiday season. And it's a Christmas tree with presents under it. And it's, real pretty decorative Christmas tree. Thank you, Dana. I appreciate that. And I'll add this to my card wall. And then I got a card from Angela 1830. I know that Angela just comments on like all the YouTubers' videos, but isn't that beautiful? Look at the snow, it's so shiny, and then that horse and the red bird and the red barn. I just love that scene. That's very beautiful. Thank you so much for the cards. And I do have one more card that it's Dakota's Christmas card. So I thought I'd share that with y'all. It's Merry Christmas 2020, Dakota Miller. Okay, so you can see Dakota sitting there by our tree. This is Taco, Dakota's Chiweenie. This is Monty Montgomery, we call him Monty, Dakota's cat. This is Cyrus, Dakota's bird, and he is a green-cheeked conure bird. And then if you look right there, there's two more of the birds, and then there's another bird right up there. So I'm going to put that a little closer so y'all can see all that. Yeah, and there's finches, like there's a finch on his shoulder, and somewhere up in there flying around. I don't know. I can't spot them all. It's like a spot me game or something. I Spy. But anyway, that's his Christmas card. I have not made a Christmas card yet. I wanted to finish my Christmas sweater and make a Christmas, picture in that for my Christmas card. And of course, I've been in the hospital and I've not finished my Christmas sweater. So I might try to dedicate a day to working on my Christmas sweater. Today, I dedicated the whole day to working on this gift bag, a loom knit gift bag. I made a tutorial for it and I started on it at 7 this morning and just worked on this all day long and finally got the video up tonight. And so I love how this turned out. It's so cute and it's a good little baggie. It could be a gift bag or put cookie mix in there and cookie cutters and spatula and give as a gift like that. Or it could be a cute little purse or just a tote bag, a gift bag, whatever. But I love how this turned out, and I do have this tutorial on my channel if any of you loom knitters want to make this. So that took up my whole day on that, but I loved making it. It was really fun. It was a fun make, and I'm going to gift it to someone with the cookie stuff in it, because on the video I did put cookie mix and cookie cutters and spatulas and stuff like that in my bag and showed it. But anyway, that's about all I did today. I worked on that the whole day. I got up at 7 this morning and started working on that, and that's pretty much what I did all day. Jody worked. Dakota was off, but he went to town to get a haircut, and Elijah's at work, so I was at home by myself for a good while and just worked on that, trying to get it done and get it up. And today is Friday. Okay, so I'm going to try to get a couple more Vlogmas videos done this weekend and try to get caught up. I'm going to try to double up and get caught up on those. And I believe there's a video coming up for me and Big Daddy. And what else? What else is going on? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I did want to say happy Hanukkah to anyone who's celebrating Hanukkah. I know tonight is the second night of Hanukkah, and I do have my little menorah sitting right here. I didn't find the candles for it. I don't know where they are. Or I would have lit the candles, but I have no idea where they are. Do you know, Dakota?
Maybe one of the stores?
I don't know. I didn't look.
No. Can't find them. Did you look for them?
I can't find them because I didn't look for them. I don't know. I know at one time the little candles that fit this one were in the craft drawer that we no longer have in the house. And I don't know where the candles are that fit that big, large menorah. So, I don't know. But anyway, I was looking for the candles. Oh, that's the big ones that fit.
We got 3 of them.
Yeah, that fit that big one, menorah. Anyway, guys, we're just silly around here. We don't know what we're doing. I hope to have some fun family videos coming up next week. The family don't know about it yet, but I'm going to surprise them. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all again really soon, like tomorrow.